grabe. It's already 8 a.m. and may maingay dito, so I wanted to sleep more pa, but Miguel is so maingay. Hi, Miguel! I already gave them food, Maui and Miguel, but he is still maingay and hindi niya tinapos yung food niya. Why are you so maingay? I think he wants to go outside or he wants to pupo. Wanna pupo? Wanna pupo, Miguel? My God. What's wrong, bro? There's Miguel's food. Hindi niya inubos. Man, pupo ka? Miguel has a new toy, Ninja. Okay. Pa-char-char o kaon. Tana. Let's go. Wait. Dali. Uy. Going to the door now. Go. Hello, ayan Miguel. Hello guys, morning. Pillar kay niya oh.
Nabalik.
Lagi makita, ayaw kay makita akong bubi.
Ayaw bubi ako bra. Ako bubi makita man akong bubi.
Wala lang buhay wala pa kan. Kaon na ka der? Dili uy, video. So kuno ni live, there's no live. Ang duha ba? Nakatingin silang dalawa sa amin. Crazy Doge. Yan, morning rumble. That's why Miguel is so orosay. Maingay si Miguel kasi he wants to rumble with Maui. Awi! Morning, mi! Awi! Kebs. Hey friends, good morning. So, I already took a shower and then I'm going to do an update sa ulay with my ulay. Natural boy. I know why I always forgot the name of that one, but I'm gonna get it. Yeah. Today is a sunny day na guys. Wala na yung bagyo and actually I don't think nandito sa Cebu yung bagyo kasi yeah. Yesterday, Monday, medyo makulimlim lang, but during the afternoon, may araw na. It's pretty good day today. Can you see? Diba? So, I'm gonna do some updates na guys on my ulay. Just gonna get my ulay. Daming shampoo guys. ito na yung ginagamit namin kasi mas kasi pag yung bottle maraming nilalagay sa kamay. Well, this one you could only like, especially Baban sachet, you could use one sachet. Wow, rejoice, diba? This is their new one. Dami. Hala, oy. Grabe siya kalkyo. Guys. Weirdo. You're such a weirdo, you know? Ano ba yan?
Ako kaya yung growth.
Sige, kwinta pa more.
Dapat
malaking calculator para sigurado yung pagkwinta ng pera niya. Di makita na mo ang bastos na ko. Ato na i-retouch. My God. Let's go to the bank because I'm gonna buy shoes and kuan na nila. Magtahi pa ko og kuan. Bank, wa ka kabaw bank. Weirdo. Miguel is outside playing ninja. Ninja playing with ninja. But guys, can you see that? No. God, small ng frog. Oh. Weird. How am I gonna get this outside? Miguel? Miguel? Busy sila nag-ano, oh. Ross, baby. And Miguel is busy to playing with his new toy, Ninja Turtle. But what about this frog? Guys, I'm gonna eat lunch. Wow. Look at my new hairstyle. Treat my small frog here.
Aman.
No.
Gamay.
So weird. Magluluto ako ng lumpia kay I want lumpia and sabaw with the ano. With what's that? Wait. What are you gonna do with the frog? Nahiya. So magluluto lang ako ng ano. Lumpia guys. And I think mainit na yung ano kanina pa to eh. Nahirapan ako kasi this is frozen. Diba? These are frozen. More.
I tell you, go home.
I think luto na guys, but this looks so weird. Kasi, pinaglutuan to ng chicken kanina. But it's fine. Ayan. Last one. And we're done. Wow! Don't jump, bro. What's that, 5 o'clock?
Northeast.
Then I'm also making
Northeast.
coffee.
What's up? Okay,
So this is my lunch for today, guys. Lumpia. So I don't know if baka to, if this is beef or yeah, I don't know. Batsuka and iced coffee. Yan. Yay! Kain tayo! Hi friends! Welcome back! So, I think I'm going to separate the video where I will be showing you this room because I did some cleaning and arranging and a little decorating on this room that I'm in right now. So I thought na medyo mahaba na yun guys. So if I'm going to put it together sa vlog ko, it would be very long and you will get bored. So I decided na I'm gonna make it as if I decided na I will be posting it separately. So the last footage of this vlog would be me having lunch, and eto na yung kasunod kasi it had a very long time doing some cleaning and arranging and putting some stuff here, guys. So it's already night time and I think mag-good night na ako guys, and thank you so much for watching today's vlog, and I hope you have a wonderful day and a great day as always, and always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep it smile, and see you on my next video. Bye.